Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How's your day? I'm your friend Tina. Today I would like to do a quick review about this rolling tube toothpaste squeezer toothpaste holder I've purchased from Amazon. When I opened the Amazon package, it came with a plastic bag and simple plastic wrap like this. Without any other instructions or user manuals. But I guess it's pretty easy to use and they have a lot of details and information already on the Amazon page. Now I'm going to open this one. So it looks like this. Squeezer and a holder with a part, looks like a key. Okay, let's put it to the test. Besides toothpaste tubes, I also find other plastic or metal tubes, so we can also give a try. Let's get started. First, let's start with the easy one. First step, take the key shape outside of the roller and insert the tube into it and putting back into the roller like this and start rolling. I'm going to open cleanser cover so you can tell if it works. Success. Yes. Second, I get a hand cream to give a try. But at the very last, it's still not able to squeeze out. It still need to use the hand to squeeze it. Next, a half-used toothpaste. It has a curve. If the Colgate may not have this curve, maybe straight, will be easy to insert, but not this one. You either need to be patient, try multiple times, or like I do, to make it straight. Then insert. So it's fully inside. Start rolling. I am pretty happy with the test results. If you are wondering how big the tube it can handle, probably a sunscreen or gel tube is just too big for it to handle. That's why it's called a toothpaste squeezer, as it's probably the maximum size to handle. I decided to buy this toothpaste squeezer because I realized Colgate toothpaste is $3 to $4 one tube, and the Sensodyne it is at least $5 to $6 per tube. And this gadget only costs around $2. So if it can really help me to squeeze more toothpaste out of the tube, eventually it will save me a lot of money. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased it by myself on Amazon. I'm going to show you guys what kind of details on the web page and also other similar pages. You can decide either 2 or 3 or 4 you would like to purchase. The size of this gadget. 2 pieces. This is the steps how to use it. So I decided to purchase 2 pieces. It's good enough for me to use, I believe. So it's $4.20 before the tax and before any shipping. And it's free shipping, by the way. You also can buy 4 pieces or other colors. I just realized they even have one less than $4, but the same color. I got one is blue and green. These are like 2 blues. Well, very good price. Features, details, more product information here. Dimension, weight, manufacturing, made in China. And for example, this is Amazon's choice. I just see 3 of them with about $5. So a lot of good deals. You can take a look and decide by yourself. If you don't have Amazon Prime with free shipping, I would suggest you to also check on your local stores such as Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree, Daiso. I just don't think you should open an Amazon Prime only because of this product. The Amazon Prime membership may cost you more than the product itself. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed my video today. So also you can decide if this is worth to buy for you or not after watching my video. If you still have any other questions about this, feel free to comment down below. Let me know your concerns, your questions. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, this is an unboxing video, so I just purchased it not a long time ago. After 3 or 6 months of using this, I will leave further feedback in the comment section for your reference. If you find my video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and comment down below, let me know. So subscribe to my channel. I promise I will make similar product review videos in the future. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.